In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful drink that will help our body to produce collagen. We have loads of collagen supplements in the markets, but it is best to consume foods that help our body build collagen and vitamin C rich foods like amla, orange, and tomato tops that list. Collagen is the protein that gives the skin its structure, suppleness, and elasticity. As we age, we tend to produce less collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. This vitamin C drink will help our body to produce pro-collagen, which is the precursor to collagen. This drink is so easy to make and is loaded with antioxidants. To make the drink, take 2 fresh amlas, wash well and cut into small pieces. I don't like to consume amla on its own. I love this drink because it completely masks the taste of amla. Now cut 2 fresh tomatoes. Fresh tomato juice has many health benefits, including improving heart health, protecting against certain cancers, and it is also very high in antioxidants, which helps fight off free radicals, which are the major cause of premature aging of our skin and hair. Now squeeze in the juice of 2 oranges. As you all know, orange juice is one of the best sources of vitamin C. You can use any variety of oranges that are available to you. Now add in the cut amla and tomatoes in a mortar and pestle and pound to a paste. You can also grind in a mixer too. Now add in the orange juice and grind well. Once ground well, strain to get a smooth juice using a strainer with large holes. This juice tastes really good. To the juice, add in a pinch of salt. Add in raw honey too. Now mix well. To retain the fiber in the juice, you can do 2 things. The first is grinding everything together in a high-speed blender to get a smooth juice and drinking it without straining. The second method is straining through a strainer with large holes. This will help retain some of the fiber in the juice. Try to consume this juice at least weekly twice for best results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.